Did you know that kids hear and use thousands of adjectives every single day? That's right, words like happy, fast, and hungry pop up all around us. But do you know what adjectives really are? Let's dive in and find out. Adjectives are like the magic spices in our language. They help us express ourselves better. Adjectives is super important for kids because it allows them to communicate more clearly. Adjectives are the words that describe noun. It can be size, color, feeling, or opinion. Purple, green, red, peach, and blue. Yes, these are the colors and they are adjectives. Small, medium, and big. Yes, these are the sizes and they are adjectives. Square, star, rectangle, triangle. Yes, these are the shapes and they are adjectives. Scared, sad, angry, excited. Yes, these are the feelings and they are adjectives. Cute cat. Pink flower. Beautiful sunset. Hungry dogs. There are two common sentences pattern. The first pattern is adjectives plus noun. For example, in a sentence, I have a pink doll. The adjective pink is coming before the noun, doll. The second pattern is be plus adjective. In this pattern, adjective follows the be verb and describe the subject noun in the sentence. For example, in this sentence, the boy is tired. Tired is adjective, follows the verb, ease. Let's look at some more examples of adjective. I see a small cat. The word small is an adjective. The children are happy. The word happy is an adjective. Yay! This is a pretty flower. The word pretty is an adjective. They live in a red, big house. Red and big are adjective. My new bag is pink and small. The words new, pink, and small are adjectives. Look at the picture and unscramble the words to make a sentence. Say or write the sentence. The correct sentence is, the banana is yellow. Now, your turn. The correct sentence is, the cats are cute. The cookie is delicious. Thanks for watching. See you next time.